2分钟英语教室时间。今天我们将用2分钟的时间来学会如何用英语表达时间。Let's take a look at this clock. It's 1:25, and you can say it's 25 past 1. 现在是25分钟了，然后超过1点钟。So this is how it works. It is 25 past 1. It is 25 past 1. Here comes another example. 这里有另外一个例子。It's 5:15. It's 5:15, and you can say it's 15 past 5. It's 15 past 5 because actually it's 15 minutes after 5 o'clock, right? So you can say it's 15 past 5. It's 15 past 5. 还有另外一种更困难的表达方式。It's a quarter past 5. It's a quarter past 5. 为什么呢？因为 a quarter means 1/4, 1/4，而一个时钟60分的1/4呢，就是15分钟，所以 a quarter 又有15分钟的意思，所以你就可以说 It's a quarter past 5. It's a quarter past 5. Now let's take a look at this clock. It's 6:40, 6:40, and you can say it's 20 to 7. It's 20 to 7 because actually you have 20 minutes until it's 7 o'clock, right? 因为你还有20分钟才会到7点钟，所以这是另外一种表达方式。我们用 to，在这个 yellow part 时钟的部分呢，如果是 yellow part 的时钟部分，我们就要用 to 了。It's 20 to 7. It's 20 to 7. Here comes another example. It is 9:55. 现在是9点55 and you can say it's 5 to 10 because actually you have 5 minutes until it's 10 o'clock, right? 因为你还有5分钟就会到达下一个点钟，也就是10点，所以在这个 yellow part 的部分呢，你就要用 to 这个字。那我们就不是用绿色那个部分呢，用 past 或是 after。在黄色这个部分呢，我们就用 to. It is 5 to 10. 还差5分钟就会 to 10，就会到10点钟。所以 for this yellow part, we use to. It's 5 to 10.